back to my channel. So today I will be doing my easy 3-step eyebrow tutorial. So first thing first, what I do is I am going to go into my eyebrows with my spoolie, and I'm just gonna comb my eyebrow hairs upwards. After doing that, I will be going in with my eyebrow pencil in the color brown, and I'm just gonna draw a outline underneath my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna fill in the rest of my eyebrows going upwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Outline the outer part of my eyebrow, and then I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows from bottom to top. After you're finished shaving and you're comfortable with that look, then you're gonna go in with your concealer. This is basically the last step. You're gonna go in with your concealer to give your eyebrows that definite shape you're looking for, and then you just clean up around it with a beauty blender or a brush, whichever. After you finished getting the desired shape with the concealer, by the way, I am using the L.A Girl PRO conceal in the shade Warm Honey. Afterwards, I like to just put a little concealer right here so that when I blend it out, the front of my eyebrows look effortless. So I'm gonna go in right now with my beauty blender and just blend it out. Now I'm taking my damped beauty blender and I'm going in into my concealer to remove all of it from my eyebrows. Now that I have finished blending out all my concealer around my eyes, I am going to go in again with my spoolie just to comb up the ears so they have like a natural look. And then that's it. That is my easy 3-step eyebrow tutorial. All you need is a spoolie, eyebrow pencil, and some concealer. Thank you guys so much for watching my easy eyebrow tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel,